I've got a girlie out in Indiana, one who means the world to me. She's not a Hannah, hailing from Savannah. She's as sweet as she can be. Just a country lassie, and she may not know a lot. Doesn't dress so very classy, but she's the only girl I've got. She's a corn-fed Indiana girl, but she's mama to me. She was born, bred, raised among the Hicks, but she's my bride to be. Some folks say she hasn't any style, but her way has always made me smile. She's so bashful, she's so shy, hides every Tuesday when the train goes by. Likes her cornbread, Indiana style, when it's done to a T. Paints her barn red, Indiana style, so it won't be hard to see. She's no Sheba, I'm no chic, but she went and bought a sofa 'cause the Davenport's weak. She's a corn-fed Indiana girl, but she's mama to me. She's got some horses, lots of cows and chickens, and she feeds them every day. But in the evening, how we raise the chickens when her folks have gone away. Ma takes Pa calling when she's got the dishes done. So when shades of night are falling, my girl and I start having fun. She's a corn-fed Indiana girl, but she's mama to me. She was born, bred, raised among the Hicks, but she's my bride to be. Some folks say she hasn't any style, but her way has always made me smile. She loves nature all about. Yes, that's the reason why she swims without. Likes cornbread, Indiana style, when it's done to a T. Paints her barn red, Indiana style, but it won't be hard to see. Yo, Sheila wears ribbons on her head, but there's quite a bit of mama showing here and there. She's a corn-fed Indiana girl, but she's mama to me. This is a fun song from 1926, and if you want a song sheet for it, look under UkesterBrown.com, www.UkesterBrown.com, under the song sheet page, and alphabetically it's right there under She's a Corn-Fed Indiana Girl, but she's mama to me. First time through, I played all the open positions. I didn't really do anything too much to jazz it up in any way. I just played it straight through pretty much. Second time through, I did switch up to the bar chord shapes. That might be something that you want to try. And this is a fun one to be able to follow some of the slides. So like we have our bar D7 that we know right here from our C7 shape, C sharp 7 and our D7. And also if we take our A7 shape D7, so if we think about our A7 and we bar it, we have our B flat 7, a B7, up one more is a C7, up one more is a C sharp 7, and up here's a D7. So we can take that and slide it. So when we're on the line where it's she paints her barn red Indiana style, so it won't be hard to see. So I'll just back up one line where it says she likes her cornbread Indiana style, when it's done to a T. Paints her barn red Indiana style, so it won't be hard to see. Right there you can take that D7 and do a nice little slide up there and get that glissando all the way up. Takes a little bit of work, but it's pretty fun to be able to do that. So once again, go to UkesterBrown.com under the song sheet button and get your song sheet for She's a Corn-Fed Indiana Girl. Have a great day.